In a world teetering on the brink of darkness, one small hobbit holds the fate of Middle-earth in his hands. Frodo Baggins, burdened by the weight of the One Ring, embarks on an epic quest. Guided by the wisdom of Gandalf and joined by loyal friends, they face unimaginable dangers. As shadows loom and battles rage, the power of friendship, courage, and destiny shines through. This is not just a journey. It's a legend waiting to be discovered. Will the ring be destroyed, or will darkness prevail? Dive into the adventure that has captivated hearts for generations. Read the legend. Available in bookstores.